Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm gonna be the teacher for this morning, and I'm gonna talk about Scratch. So what is Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming language created by the MIT Media Lab to help children and beginners to learn coding in a simple, creative, and fun way. Instead of writing complex code with text, Scratch uses colorful blocks that you can stack together like puzzle pieces. So for beginners, Scratch is really good to start learning about programming. Okay, so onto the Scratch basics. Just watch me. Okay, so here I have a game that I've made. This game is pretty simple. It's just about catching these these falling fruits to the fruit platter, and also there's this which my friend Royan made. I got no idea how it works, and also so about the basics of Scratch, we need this events to start the game. Here, for example, I use when green flag is clicked, and there's also when key is pressed. There's also here I use when green flag is clicked, and there's this right when I receive game over. So this event is very important because you cannot start the game without the events block. Now here I have when green flag is clicked, and then there's this what is it called? Now this block is in the control block. This when there's something placed inside this block, that it means it will repeat forever until the game is done. So because I put this, if right arrow key is pressed, then change X by 10, and also left arrow key is pressed, change X by -10. So if I put it here inside this forever block, all of this is gonna repeat forever. So I can move with my arrow keys the player. And next we have the code for the falling fruit. Here I use the when green flag is clicked, and because I have a variable here, I make a new variable with lives and score. So we have to set the score to 0 and the life to 3 when the game is started. And then inside this forever block, we have next costume, because we don't want the fruit to be just a single fruit. We need the fruit to change every time they appear on screen. So I have these costumes right here. I have apples, orange, and bananas. And then they'll go to X. X is the horizontal axis. So it's random between -200, which is like this side, I think, and then 200, which is like this side. So they can appear either of these position, and the Y position in 180, which is at the top here. And it will repeat until this fruit touches the platter, or Y position -170, which is around here. And then change Y by, it could be just like this, -5. So all the fruit is falling in a consistent speed, but I think it's boring, so I put this pick random. So all the fruit has a random speed between -5 to -10. I'm not sure, is it per second or per millisecond, I'm not sure. And then if touching the fruit platter, if touching this sprite here, then it'll change the score by 1. This score right here, it's gonna change by 1, so added 1. And play the sound pop here in sound. Yeah, we got pop. What's this? Then another if, because if not touching the fruit platter, so other than the fruit platter, for example, is just I put in or y position -170. If it's not touching the fruit platter, then it's either the fruit platter or the y -170. Then change lives by -1, and if life equals -1, then broadcast game over. So this if block, as you know, it's if, so if you know how it works, right? The word if. And change the score, obviously change the variable score by 1, so added 1. And can also be -1, for example this lives, so it started with 3, right? Because I set the life to 3, and then I can change the life by -1 and it will go down. And if lives equals -1, so like just leave it as is, right? Oh, whoa, it's broken. Now you lost. It will play this sprite. How to get this sprite playing? We need to go here, and because if lives equals -1, then broadcast game over. And I have a new sprite, this text sprite, and when the green flag is clicked, it's gonna hide, so it's gone. But when I receive game over, because the life is -1, which means we ran out of the life. When I receive game over, the sprite is gonna show, and it's gonna stop all actions in the game. So yeah, as you can see here, we can play this game here. Every time the fruit touches my plate, it's gonna add 1 score at a time. And every time the fruit doesn't touch my plate, my life is going down by 1. And then another one, and my last life, it's when it reaches -1, it displays the you lost text. Wait, let me check. Yeah, okay, I think don't no. Any question? No.
Okay.
Don't ask me to.
How about your next game? I think the fish one.
The fish one, this one I learned when I was in IT camp here. But this particular one is made by my friend Ryan. He gave me the file. So this is not my project, it's Ryan's project. But I've made this when I was in IT camp. This is a lot more complex, as you can see here. There's so many blocks and so many sprites, and each sprite has so many blocks, so it's a lot more complicated than the one I show you guys. And how it plays is also a lot more complicated, yeah. Because we have to avoid the pufferfish, and this pufferfish has this, yes. Go to random position, point in direction 45 and forever. And if touching shark, then change score by -1. So currently on 0 score. and wait 1 second and then change the color, because as you can see when it touches, oh yeah, the puffer fish changes color. So, and then here if the score is equals -1, so for instance here -1, then broadcast lose, and lose is here. It's the exact same one as this you lost message. And yeah, I guess that's all. Okay. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.